Good morning, Math 7 students, or whatever time of day it is that you're looking at this. So today we're looking at notes for Unit 4, Lesson 3, and this is about solving equations with distribution. So you might be remembering from our third unit, again, that's why these units were so very important, because they're all connected. Distribution is anything where you've got a number right on the outside of a parenthesis. There's no operation there, which means that it's multiplication. And then you've got some sort of stuff inside of the parentheses, and that number on the outside needs to get multiplied by both of those pieces. We looked at that in Unit 3, so we're going to be doing a little bit more of that and solving equations at the same time. So there are a couple steps for success that you can use to kind of work through these problems. And the first step for success, because I know you're dying to know, is that you're going to start with any distribution. Anything that needs to be distributed needs to happen first. After that, your second step is going to be to isolate the x term, keyword there being term. So that's like what we were doing yesterday in lesson 4-2, or whatever day it was that you looked at 4-2, where we were first, in this example here, we were first trying to isolate the negative 10x. We were trying to get that whole term with the variable by itself by moving that 6 over first. So we're going to do that again. These lessons, they kind of build on each other. And then finally, the third step is back from our first lesson, where we then just isolate the variable. And again, we're doing that isolation, we're getting those things alone by using those inverse operations. Very, very important. Okay, a couple of other things that you want to remember. Make sure that you can, draw your line down the middle at the equal sign. And don't forget to do everything to both sides. And all right, we'll look at the first example in our next video. Until then.